Hi, Matt Watson here from CarWow. So I'm sitting in a Formula One car, and next to me is a Bugatti Chiron, and we're going to have a drag race because we can. This is completely nuts. Let me tell you about this car. So it's a 2011 World Championship winning Red Bull RB7. So this thing's powered by a 2.4 litre naturally aspirated V8 engine with 750 horsepower. It's very light as well. Basically just made out of carbon fibre. Weighs in around 700 kilos. You've got a 7-speed pedal shift gearbox in it. As for the price of this car, well, the Formula One season in 2011 had a budget of 250 million. They produced 4 cars, so if you divide that 250 million by 4, then it costs about £62.5 million for this. Rather expensive. Kind of makes that Bugatti seem affordable. That only costs £2.5 million. Now that's got an 8 litre quad turbo W16 engine, pumps out 1500 horsepower, 1600 newton meters of torque. It's got a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox with launch control, but it's heavy. It weighs in at just under 2 tons. It's going to be an epic race, I can guarantee you that much. In fact, we're going to be doing some more races with this car. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. And why not check us out on Instagram? CarWow. It's dead simple. Anyway, let's do this. It's going to be mental. Guys, can someone send in work experience Dave? Apparently he knows a thing or two about Formula One.
Oi Dave, go give Matt a hand in the Formula One car.
Can I really?
Of course you can.
Can I meet the driver as well?
Maybe.
Apparently he's amazing. You wanted me, boss?
Yeah, Dave, can you take over, mate? I just don't really know what I'm doing in here.
Yeah.
That comes off like that.
That was good, that's a good start.
Can you help me out?
Yeah, can you get those big shoulders out without taking this off?
I don't think so, I'm just so butch.
I was going to say, it looks like you've been working out. Look at you. You're so much stronger in real life than you look on the telly.
Oh, thank you very much. Have you driven one of these before? Have you ever had a go in one?
Yeah, I've done a bit of shaking down on them, yeah.
Okay.
Crashed a few.
Did you manage to clean those cars?
Yeah, they're all done. They're all done.
I've kind of brought the seat out with me, Dave, look.
Yeah, well, that's that big arse of yours, isn't it? Right, come on then, wriggle your hips.
Alright, there you go. Right, do you know what?
Oh,
God.
you've broken it.
Is that a bad sign?
Yeah, that is a bad
I'm
sign.
going to move away from the car. I'm just going to let you take over right by.
Right. I don't know how to put it on.
A few moments later.
Hello.
Hey, how's it
I'm alright, you?
all good, man, all good.
Thank you very much for bringing your Chiron down. Why aren't I driving?
You can drive, man. Just let me hold on to £2.5 million and the keys are all yours.
Can I write an IOU?
Yeah.
All right, you drive then, you drive. I've actually never driven a Chiron. Let's hear it, can we rev it up? So we've got to do the obligatory CarWow sound check, so, is that in sports mode?
Yep, really smooth, quiet start.
Go on, rev it then, let's hear the revs.
Doesn't go beyond 4.
You got a soft limiter? Even in a £2.5 million hypercar, you got a soft limiter?
Yep, that's it, man, that's what they do.
Oh, well. Let's see what that Formula One car sounds like. Hopefully Dave will just rev it up. Rev it up! Okay, so I think Shaz, yeah, your car doesn't sound as good as that, does it? Should we get and do this? Should we get in race?
Let's do it.
Let's race. Are you a little bit nervous?
Just a wee touch.
Do you reckon you're going to win?
Absolutely.
You better win, you better win. Go, 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 go! Oh, now he's going, come on! Oh, keep on going!
I could have taken him there. I could have taken him.
Almost. Well done, DC. I think you won that one. It was a great start. You still got the skills, mate. You still got the skills.
Thank you very much.
Were you pleased with your work yourself as well, were you?
It's all coming back to me.
How long has it been?
Since I did a proper start, 13 years, long time.
Still got it. How do you feel about us doing another go? Because I think we can get an even better start. Are you up for giving us another chance?
Yep, absolutely. If the team are happy, I'm happy.
You ready? Neck and neck. Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, he's pulling now! Oh my God! It was neck and neck there off the line, David. It was close, but yeah, you took off on second or third gear.
Yeah, I think I got a little bit too much wheel spin at the start, so I lost a little bit of get-go, but once the car's up and running, it's running sweet.
Well, you've won 2, so even if I say best 2 out of 3, you've won overall. But can we do one more? Do you want to do one more? See if you can get a better start.
Again, I'm happy if the team are happy.
Would you like another go?
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh yeah, we're going to do this. Come on! Come on, we're ahead. Come on! No! Oh no, it's close! Oh my God! Woo! This car is quick! That was a good race.
I think that's it.
We could not launch any better. We had you off the line. Obviously, those 12 years since you were racing have taken their toll. But you came past. 3 wins for you. Let's do a rolling race.
Excellent. Thank you.
Were you a little bit nervous on that one?
Oh yeah, get the old butterflies every time you do a proper start.
Yeah, we beat you off the line there. I was quite impressed. But then we do have launch control, and it's kind of easy, isn't it, Shaz, really?
Dead easy.
Well, I don't want you to go home completely defeated, so I had to let you beat me somewhere.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Formula 1 car won, completing the standing quarter mile in 9.2 seconds, whereas the Bugatti took 9.6 seconds.
Right, so you're going to be in...
So we're not going to launch it now?
No, you're going to be in second gear, and then you're going to just accelerate. You've got to change gears yourself,
Yep.
so you can't this up.
Okay.
No pressure. Okay, you ready for this then, DC? Let's do this. We're going to do a rolling race.
Rolling race from 50 miles an hour. Get level with us. Come on, Shaz, let's go.
Let's get to 50. Right, Aaron, you ready? Get level. Here we go, DC.
3,
2, 1. Go, Flory Shaz, come on! Okay, go. All the boosters coming in, he's gone. Rev it all the way out. Come on, he's just buggered off. Keep going, we're going to catch him. We're reeling him in now. Come on, can we beat him to the mile? Come on. Come on, here's the mile. We're going to get him, we're going to get him. Yes! Brake hard! Yes! Oh my God, that was so good. We had him to the mile, we just had him.
Man, just straight at the end there.
Hey, DC!
You took off like crazy, but we had you to the mile. Did downforce play a part in that, do you think?
Yeah, that was impressive how the Bugatti came back. You were definitely carrying a lot more top speed and you were still accelerating. So the downside of downforce is drag. Got to give it to the Bugatti. It's once it builds the speed, it's got some performance.
It would be very interesting to do this with some corners and see what really happens.
You would have no chance in cornering. Grand Prix car's too nimble.
Right, now we're going to have a brake test from about 100 miles an hour. When we reach the line, full emergency stop. No, hard! Oh! Look at that gap.
Well, looks like we can outbrake you as well.
We didn't do too badly in the brake test, but you absolutely destroyed us. Your car's a lot lighter, like 700 kilos, isn't it? Whereas this is like 2 tons.
Yeah, this car is light and it's got the performance once again. Not by much, but we've had the brakes warmer, then I think we'd have better control. I was locking the front axle, but otherwise it still shows the braking performance is pretty good.
So do you think you might have flat spotted your tyres? Is that going to affect your lap time now?
No, I don't think they're flat spotted. I just need to drive back to the guys.
Well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. Let us know some other videos you'd like to see. Come up with something unusual. We can get Formula 1 cars on this channel, so whatever. Fighter jet.
I think we should race a jet here.
Let's do that. Anyway, thank you very much for coming down with your Chiron and driving. And as ever, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload.